Yo, what is going on, guys? As you guys just saw in the past few clips, I ordered a whole bunch of carbon fiber trim pieces off of eBay. I seen a few other BMWs and I saw like fresh kicks he had in his Q50. I thought I'd just add a few touches to my interior since it's really outdated. There's not that much carbon fiber in here. In my part 1 video, I just recently painted the trim pieces black and got the push to start button, the BMW blue, to match the stripe on my steering wheel. This steering wheel was custom made by Ozza Auto Wheel, and I customized this whole steering wheel. Got the M stitching, the flat bottom, and it's just super aggressive. If any of you guys own a BMW and want to get a custom steering wheel just like mine, you get to customize anything you want with the steering wheel. Get in contact with me or Ozza Auto Wheel. Shoot me a DM, I always reply back, and I will just get back to you in like 1 or 2 days. But yeah, guys, I love the steering wheel, and we're gonna go ahead and get started with these little trim pieces. I got this one. I don't know how well it's gonna fit from just like test fitting it like this, just because I don't think the M badge right here is going to be showing, just because of the fitment issues. So I might not use this. I'm not too concerned because I was kind of iffy about purchasing this because I kind of do just like it like subtle, and I'm already going to have a whole bunch of other carbon fiber pieces right here, so it might be a little too much, look tacky, but I definitely love carbon fiber. It's basically like this plastic. It just has 3M tape on all the pieces, and I'm just going to go ahead and peel these back and apply it to the surfaces. I pretty much got the door handles. What else? Little trim pieces to go around the air vents, the radio. I already have this one. I've had this one on for about maybe a year or so. I have a video on it too when I put this one on. I got pieces for the air vents on top, right up on top right here. And yeah, we're gonna just go ahead and start applying these. Sheesh, all the carbon now. Guys, I dig that a lot. Yes, I really like that. Got all the carbon little accents. Got the top piece up there, carbon. Piece over there, carbon. Door. Little button over there. Yeah, guys, I really like this a lot. And I only spent like, I think it was like $120 for all these little trim pieces, including the steering wheel one. The steering wheel carbon fiber piece was the most expensive one. I do not think I am going to use that one, just because it is it like fits like all right, but I don't think I'm going to do it just because it doesn't fit perfect, and that M badge is like kind of off. So yeah, I'm not going to run this thing. But yeah, I think it looks more subtle just because so many things are carbon fiber now. I think it's just appropriate, in my opinion, to keep this just like this flat black. But real carbon fiber pieces, if I were to get this all real, it'd probably cost around $400 to $600, maybe even more, to get all these pieces. But like I said, I only spent like $120, and it looks super nice. Alright guys, check this out. I haven't showed this car at all, and we're gonna actually be selling it today in today's video. This is my dad's E46 330i. I think it's a 2006. It's a Rare ZHP. Has the full M package, has M wheels, M front bumper, everything. Just it's not an M3 unfortunately, but here it is, guys. I have not showed you guys this car at all, but pretty much my dad has owned this for like I'd say like around 2 years. He bought it around the same time when I bought my BMW. I think he just wanted to be, I don't know, he's just funny like that. He just wanted to cop a Beamer since I bought one, and he liked the E46, and he came up on a really good deal. But today we're going to be selling this, and hopefully the guy buys it, but you guys know how that goes. I've sold so many cars off Craigslist, OfferUp, and that's exactly why my dad's just like, you know what, you go ahead and sell it for me, because he's known I've done this process so many times, especially with these types of cars. He's also sold and bought. He used to do this like as a hobby, if you guys didn't know. He used to buy old Cutlasses, 442s, all the Oldsmobiles. He'd buy them. I'd go with him on trips when I was very young, like to California and just far into Arizona, and we'd go pick up these cars. He had like 2 trailers, a couple storage yards. He still owns a lot. He owns like around like 20 cars, but they're like a lot of like shells. Like he was just like partying them out, and a lot of those cars are like really hard to find, so those parts are like, they go for very well. And he also like he did like a whole bunch. He did like powder coat. He had a powder coat machine. But yeah, that's a whole other story. But yeah, guys, we're gonna be selling this. I think Brandon, the person that's supposed to come buy this, I think he's really interested in it, because he talked to me over the phone. He asked a whole bunch of questions. He's an older guy, so that's why I feel like I'm gonna look out on this and he's gonna buy it. But yeah, it's a super clean car. There is some imperfections, like this is cracked. The convertible top is fading, just because that's just typical in Arizona. I just repainted these black again. I just plasti dipped them. The owner before that my dad bought this car from, he like plasti dipped everything as far as like the M wheels. I wish he didn't. I wish he just kept them like chrome. Then the mirrors, and yeah, a lot of the owner before did a lot of this stuff. He was like a young kid, and my dad literally hasn't done anything but just drive this car and have some fun with it. I'll show you guys it's just in the interior. Here, let's go to the driver's side. Yeah, super clean interior. I mean, it does have this gray leather interior. Some people hate it, some people love it. The steering wheel. So you just got the steering wheel, and this just came with the whole package. It's not like they bought this. This was part of the M package when this car had been released. It has like the carbon fiber, and guys, it's like a really old car, so like that's why there's so imperfections. It's nowhere near perfect, but it is a really nice car and a fun car. Got the sub in the back, and the top does go down very nicely. I'm not gonna do that right now, because that would be some shit if I just so happen to put the top down and it doesn't go back up a couple minutes before I'm about to go sell this. Brandon's like on the way here. He's gonna be here in like about 30 minutes or so. He's coming from the valley, different side of the valley I should say. And yeah, Brandon, if you're watching this, I hope you buy it, man, because I do not like meeting up with 1,000 people and then they just don't even buy it, or like they're just wasting your time. But hey, if you like it, you like it. But yeah, let's go meet this guy. I'm not gonna film him too much. I just wanted to film this process if we do, because I haven't featured this car on my channel. You guys haven't seen it, so I thought this would be the best time to see it. So let's go get our money. Well, shoot, guys, this might be the last day with this car. We're pulling up to the bank right now. Told them meet me at the bank just in case. There's like a bank across the street, bank over here. So if this man needs to get his money out, we can do this. Where is he at? Alright guys, we just got back to my place right now. It is way too hot to keep filming outside. Here in Arizona, it's been like 110 to 120. No lie, Arizona is ridiculous with this weather. So I don't want to hear no complaining with all these vloggers and YouTubers out in California and stuff complaining it's like 105. Man, you guys have no idea how hot it is here in Arizona. But anyways, guys, give you guys a little update. That dude ended up not buying it. He is very interested in it. He said he's gonna give me a call later or sometime this week, but we all know how that goes, so we'll just see. He really did like the car. I let him test drive it or whatever. I always let people test drive the cars, but I'll give you guys one tip, like one of the most important tips whenever it comes to selling cars, and this has personally just worked for me really well. My dad taught me this, and I just watched him, like I said, throughout all the years of him selling, buying and selling cars. When you're selling a car to someone, let them be the one to ask the questions. Like, I know it's like a very exciting experience for both people, buying a car and selling a car. It's very exciting, so there's a lot of emotion when it goes into doing this type of stuff. But as the seller, you want to just let them look over the car. Don't talk too much, because most of the time when you go look at a car and someone's talking to you, you're so focused on the car, you're not even listening to anything that the person's saying. So just have them ask the questions, have them look at the car, go on a little test drive with you in the car or whatever, and yeah, just answer all their questions. But yeah, guys, that tip has just personally worked out for me the best, so hopefully you guys can use it to your own advantage when it comes to selling a car, and hopefully that helps you guys sell that car. But I also want to give a big thanks to everyone that's been tuning into all my newest uploads. I know I hadn't been posting like for a long time, and trust me, I have that video coming out and where it's just dedicated talking about where I've been, what I've been working on, all the projects, everything I've been learning. I'm also a dad. I got a 2-year-old son, so it's been a whole learning process with so many things, business-wise and just being a father. That video is well past due, and I owe it to all you guys who reach out to me on Instagram and comment on my old YouTube videos to see where I've been and just say what's up. I appreciate you guys so much, more than you guys know. But I also wanted to add, it almost feels like I'm starting YouTube all over again. Like, I didn't post for so long, and I appreciate all the day ones. Like, for real, I see all these people that's been following me for so many years, like from the very beginning, and I really notice it all, like throughout all. I used to get a whole bunch of more comments and views on my old videos, but I do appreciate everyone that stuck around, and I do appreciate all the new subscribers, everyone that's been tuning in just for the first time or just the past few couple of weeks of seeing my videos. I appreciate everyone that hit that subscribe button to see more content, and this time I give you guys my word, I am not going to stop creating car content and other types of videos and such. I have so many ideas, and I just can't wait to put them to work. I can't wait to start filming them. The past few videos, if you guys haven't seen, of the wide body Supra, the 2 wide body Supras I should say, and reuniting with my old wide body G, those 2 videos were so much fun. It literally gave me the feeling that I once got when I first started making those videos, like started making YouTube videos, and I love it, guys. I can't wait to bring more content to you guys, and I hope you guys are excited as I am. And I appreciate everyone. Part of the Steezy Fam, the OG Steezy Fam. We are in this, guys. I can't wait to show you guys more content. And I have some big things on the way, big plans, big video ideas, and I can't wait to see you guys there. So leave a comment below, guys. I would appreciate it. I'm going to comment back to you guys and just say anything about the videos, say anything about the past videos I posted. I'd like to see it. I'm going to end this video like the OG way. For all you guys that know will know, we out here. Peace.